long answer, question number 4. Only these two questions are left. Remain like short answer, very short answer exercise we have done in the previous class.
Yes, sir.
Let's start with the question number 4 in long answer type question. Write a program to display even number less than 30 using for next loop. Question says that write a program. आपको एक प्रोग्राम लिखना है टू डिस्प्ले इवन नंबर्स, जो इवन नंबर दिखाए आपको लेस देन 30, किससे 30 से कम, यूजिंग फॉर नेक्स्ट लूप. नाउ राइट दिस क्वेश्चन प्रोग्राम. Answer number 4 I have written here. First you write CLS. This is for clear screen. For counter 2 to 28. Step 2. Here I have not written 30 because the question says that less than 30.
30.
That's why I have written here 28. Because 29 is not a even number. ठीक है, तो 29 भी नहीं होता, तो 28. So you have to write the answer for counter 2 to 28, step value 2, then print counter, next counter. Note down this answer in your copy.
So like this.
Wait a minute, huh? Show me your book, copy.
Sir, like this?
Yes. Yes, 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 like this. Very good. Okay. Now, next question. Write a program to display a table of 5 less than 11 using do while loop. Again, you listen to the question. Write a program to display a table. Means we want to display a table of 5. Table दिखानी है 5 की. कहाँ तक? Less than 11. ठीक है? कहाँ तक? Less than 11 तक. Using do while loop. Now see this program. CLS count equals to 5. Do while count is less than 11. There is a mistake. Instead of that, you have to write here 55. Now see, if you write count equals to 5, 5 is less than 55. Yes, condition to print count. Count means 5 print हो जाएगा. Then 5 plus 5, that is 10. 10 is the next value of count. 10 less than 55. 10 less than 55. Condition true. So it will print the next value of count is 10. Then 10 plus 5, that is 15. 15 is the next value. 15 less than 55. Condition true. It will print 15. Then 15 plus 5, next value is 20. Like this. So it will print the 50. जब तक हमें 50 ना मिल जाए तब तक ये प्रिंट करेगा. जैसे 50 मिल जाएगा स्टॉप करो. Varnika says that, sir, can you send the question answer in group? Sir, Varnika, I will send YouTube video. Okay, This Zoom recording video I will send. You have to
Okay,
note
sir.
down from the video also.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Is it written? आपने लिख लिया बेटा ये?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now next, give regions. Why do we need use step in for next loop? Question is, why do we use step in for next loop? (48) page number, step value. Step value is used. यहाँ लिखना step value is used. इसको हटा देना. ठीक है? लिखना step value is used to define the number of times counter variable increment or decrement through the loop. जो step value होती है, जो step होता है, वो ये डिफाइन करता है कि जो काउंटर वेरिएबल है वो कितनी बार इंक्रीमेंट करेगा और कितनी बार डिक्रीमेंट करेगा, कितना इंक्रीमेंट करेगा और कितना डिक्रीमेंट करेगा. Now, step value is used to define the number of times counter variable incremented decrement through the loop. Pooja, look this answer. Here you have to write step value is used. इसके बाद लिखना used है, USED. Used to, TO2, defines the number of times counter variable increment or decrement through the loop. This
Okay,
is the
sir. Thank you, sir.
okay. This is the answer number 1 in give region questions. Then next question is, why do we use else in if then else statement? For that I have written one answer. You note down from here. Else is used in if then else statement because when our condition is false in if statement, then program control will transfer to the else part and it will execute else statements. This answer you have to write. यहाँ से यहाँ तक का आंसर आप लिखो. This is the answer number 2 in give region questions.
Okay, sir.
Note down this.
okay, sir.
Sir, sir, done.
Done. Very good.
Sir, no, sir.
Note down, no problem. Have you written this?
Sir, please stay. Yes, sir, done.
All you have written?
Sir, done this. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now, last give reason. Why do we use go to statement while writing or executing the program? Question says that Why do we use go to statement? To answer, you have to write same. Go to statement is used to transfer the control of program to a specific line number or label, or the line label name and line number need to specify along with the go to statement. This answer you have to write.
Sir, done.
Very good.
Sir, done.
Very good.